Do you want to start a consulting business but feel like you don't have enough experience? The truth is, you don't need decades of expertise to become a consultant. If you have knowledge, skills, or insights that can help others solve a problem, you can turn that into a profitable consulting business. The key is to position yourself as an expert, attract clients, and deliver real value. The first step is identifying your niche. The best consulting businesses solve specific problems for a targeted audience. You don't need to be a top industry expert. You just need to know more than the people you're helping. Areas like business strategy, marketing, social media, career coaching, leadership development, or personal finance are always in demand. If you have experience in a particular field, leverage that. If not, research trends, take online courses, and learn from industry leaders to position yourself as an authority. Once you have a niche, the next step is defining your offer. Instead of trying to help everyone, focus on a specific solution that clients will pay for. Will you help businesses increase their online sales? Will you coach professionals on job interviews? Will you help companies improve productivity or cut costs? A clear, results-driven offer makes it easier to attract clients and charge higher rates. Building credibility is essential, especially if you don't have years of experience. Start by creating free content, blog posts, LinkedIn articles, social media tips, or short videos to showcase your knowledge. Case studies, testimonials, and success stories build trust. If you don't have clients yet, offer free initial consultations or discounted services in exchange for feedback and testimonials. Creating a personal brand website or a strong LinkedIn presence will help you look more professional. To attract clients, you need a simple marketing strategy. A website or personal brand page with clear messaging, an optimized LinkedIn profile, and an active presence in industry-specific Facebook groups or online communities can help establish authority. Engaging with potential clients by offering valuable insights, answering questions, and sharing knowledge in these spaces positions you as an expert and brings in leads. Networking is also key. Reaching out to past colleagues, joining business groups, attending online events, and offering free webinars or workshops can help generate your first clients. Many consultants land their first contracts simply by letting people know what they offer. Setting your pricing and structure is another key step. Consulting can be charged per session, per project, or on a retainer basis. Many new consultants start with hourly rates between $50 to $150, depending on the industry and client needs. As you gain experience and results, you can increase your rates and introduce high-ticket consulting packages, such as ongoing coaching or exclusive mentorship programs. Once you start working with clients, delivering real value is the most important part of growing your business. Clear communication, actionable advice, and measurable results will keep clients coming back. Providing structured reports, offering follow-up sessions, and setting clear goals help improve client satisfaction. Over time, referrals and word-of-mouth marketing will help you scale your consulting business into a six-figure career. To stand out from competitors, consider creating a signature framework or method that defines your consulting approach. This makes it easier to explain what you do and why your services are unique. Developing digital products, such as ebooks or online courses, can also create passive income while building your credibility. Starting a consulting business with no experience is all about leveraging what you know, positioning yourself effectively, and consistently providing value. The sooner you start, the faster you can build credibility, attract clients, and turn your knowledge into a profitable business.